Hi, this is Shubha Sapamaski. Now I would like to discuss the short story God Sees the Truth But Waits, written by Leo Tolstoy. About the writer, Leo Tolstoy is one of the world's great writer as well as a prolific writer. He is famous because of his two masterpieces. One is War and Peace, another one is Anna Karenina. Because of these two works, he had become world famous. The present story, God Sees the Truth But Waits, is a beautiful story where the protagonist suffers because of injustice and fatigue. In this story, the protagonist, a man, is sent to a prison for a murder which he hadn't committed, and later he was released. In the present story, the main protagonist is Ivan Asino. Now I will just begin the story. Ivan Asino is a merchant in a town called Vladimir. He was a merchant, though he is prone to drinking, but he was not violent. He was happy with his family. He had a wife and children. Though the people surrounding him liked him, one day, Asino thought to go for a business venture. He wanted to go to a business fair. When he packed his luggages, as he was ready to leave to go for a business, his wife stopped him not to leave. She pleaded him, she requested him, because the previous night she had a nightmare, a dream that something bad thing is going to happen. So she requested him not to go. Whereas this Asino refused her plea, and finally decided to go to a fair for his business venture. And he took his luggages and left. On the way, he met another merchant who was his friend. So both of them stayed in an inn at night. They had a dinner. Both together had a dinner, drinks and everything. And later, both went into their rooms and slept. But in the early morning, Asino woke up earlier. Without meeting his friend, he just packed his luggages and once again he left the place. As he was on the way, as he left for some miles, he was stopped by the police, and the police asked him, "Why you have done a murder in that inn?" Asino was shocked to hear that. Asino said, "I don't know anything." The police inquired him that the previous night where you stayed in that inn and that merchant was killed by someone. So we would like to check your bags. When the police checked his bags, a bloody knife was found, and he was taken into custody and taken to a local prison, Vladimir prison. And later he was taken to the Tsar, to the court also. A trial took place. Though Asino argued that he hadn't committed a murder, but still, due to that witness, due to that proof, that is the bloody knife, so everyone believed that he is a murderer. Even his wife, she too believed him because of that witness. Later, Asino was sent to Siberia, and he was asked to work in the mines. He was put in the prison. For nearly 26 years, he was in that prison. Asino, at last, he left to God. He dedicated his life to God. He was liked by everyone in that prison. Even the culprits, even the security guards, police, each and everyone liked him. He was the man who used to give some speeches to his fellows in that prison. Later, some new prisoners were being brought to that same prison. Among them was Makar Semnovich. He too was brought over there. After hearing some conversations, Asino came to know that it was the man Makar Semnovich who had murdered that merchant, but still Asino was kept quiet. One day, when Makar Semnovich was digging the ground and made a tunnel in order to escape, the guards, the police noticed a sound and came and inquired Asino. Though Asino knew that it was Makar Semnovich, but Asino didn't tell anything to the police. He said that I don't know. It's not my duty to say, it's your duty to check. And the police went back. The next day, Makar Semnovich, he felt repented, regretted, and came and asked sorry for Asino. And he confessed Asino that it is he who had murdered that merchant, and he begged for forgiveness. But Asino said, whatever happened, happened. But still, Asino forgave him. But Makar Semnovich did not keep quiet. So he further went and explained everything to the higher authorities that it is he who had murdered that merchant and Asino is an innocent man. Then the higher authorities later on, after supervision, after checking everything, they at last released Asino from the prison. This Asino is spent nearly 26 years in that prison. After releasing from the jail, he started to going towards his home. On the way itself, he died in peace. The only thing which we come to know in this story is God sees the truth but waits there. The truth prevails. The main theme of this story we will come to know here is the guilt, confession, forgiveness, all these things here. Thank you.